Let's talk about ChatGPT versus Microsoft Copilot. Because choosing an AI tool for your business shouldn't feel like ordering ice cream while everyone behind you is judging your life choices. If you've been hearing these two names nonstop and wondering, okay, but which one will actually help my team? This video is for you. The first thing we want to know is this is not a winner-take-all battle. There's no championship belt at the end. The goal here is fit, not hype. Let's start with ChatGPT. Think of ChatGPT like an all-purpose digital Swiss Army knife that you can use to write emails, brainstorm ideas, clean up marketing copy, summarize things, translate stuff, and just think out loud when your brain is done for the day. It works on its own, so you don't have to be all-in-one software ecosystem to use it. That flexibility is its superpower. Marketing, sales, operation, customer communication, ChatGPT can help a little bit everywhere. The downside is it doesn't automatically know all your internal files, workflows, and it can feel like one more app when your team just has to remember that it even exists. So you have to do some intentional setup with ChatGPT. Now let's talk about Microsoft Copilot. Copilot lives inside your Microsoft tools. Your team already uses it. Outlook, Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Instead of asking people to go somewhere new, it shows up right where they already work. It's great at things like summarizing long email threads, analyzing spreadsheets, drafting documents, helping your team build slide decks without starting from scratch. And then because it uses your existing Microsoft permissions, security and compliance are built in, which is a big deal for a lot of businesses. The trade-off, Copilot works best if your company is fully committed to Microsoft 365. If your tools are all over the place, or you're in Google, or you want something more flexible and creative, it can feel a little boxed in. And yes, licensing costs can add up if you're not careful. So how do you choose? ChatGPT is usually the better fit if your team uses a mix of tools. It does a lot of marketing content creation, wants general purpose assistant, and doesn't mind layering in structure over time. Copilot is usually the better fit if your workday already lives in Outlook, Teams, Word, Excel, and you want AI to happen naturally without changing how your team already works. And here's the part people don't like to admit out loud. Some businesses use both. ChatGPT for creative thinking and broad tasks, and Copilot for daily operational work. That's not overkill, it's just smart. What really matters is the outcome. Less time buried in email, faster presentations, clearer communication, better decisions, more brain power for work that actually moves your business forward. This isn't about which tool has the cooler logo, it's about which one fits your workflow. If you're serious about making AI actually work, the smartest approach is simple. Start small. Test real use cases, train your team properly, measure the impact, and then roll it out with structure. Final thought, AI isn't here to replace your people. It's here to help them do their best work without burning out. The right tool is the one that makes your business feel lighter, not more complicated.